Open the Measure app and position the camera so that it's facing a flat surface. Tap the plus icon to start measuring and move the phone so that the measure also moves. When you're done measuring, tap the plus sign again to show the measured distance. To enable the magnifier, go to Settings, tap on General, choose Accessibility, then open the magnifier and turn the feature on. This is fairly useful when you are looking for something in a poorly lit place or very fine print. Your phone's camera has the capability to zoom in on real-world objects. To set the timer, tap the clock icon in the upper right-hand corner. You will have the option of a 3 or 10-second timer. Goodbye, selfie sticks. To enable dark mode, tap Settings, General, Accessibility, Display Accommodations, Invert Colors, and tap Smart Invert. With dark mode enabled, your bright iPhone interface switches to dark colors that are easier on the eyes in low light situations. Have you ever moved the camera after picking a focal point? Here's the trick. Just tap on the screen for a second or two until the AF locked box appears. Now you can take a picture without losing focus.